You are not making money from artificial intelligence yet? Then watch. Here are 3 ways to start today. Without investments, without code. Just copy and do. You take a photo, input it into a neural network and get cool stickers or 3D avatars. Upload them to marketplaces and start selling. People do this on Telegram, Avito, and wherever they can. Avatars in anime style, pixel art, and even memes are especially popular. The second idea, you sell not pictures but ideas. You write a smart prompt for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion and post it on special sites. Someone downloads your prompt, you receive money. The prompt can be for generating logos, stories, or for bots. And thirdly, micro-freelancing with GPT. People order texts, ideas, translations, product descriptions, video scripts, and you just feed them into GPT, correct, and send them. You are sort of an intermediary between a person and AI. But for this, they pay. Do you want a detailed tutorial for each idea or a selection of the best AI services for making money? Write "I want" in the comments. Subscribe. A step-by-step guide is coming soon. And yes, artificial intelligence earns money in 2025. The question is whether you do.